Introducing the DTP 25 version 2 desktop tablet press from LFA Machines, a versatile machine that features manual and automatic operation. The DTP 25 is an advanced single-station tablet press that incorporates many refinements to make tablet manufacturing and research and development faster, easier, more efficient, and safer. The maximum punch pressure has been doubled, from 50 kilonewtons in our previous version to 100 kilonewtons. The DTP 25 is able to produce up to 1,500 strong pharmaceutical-grade tablets per hour. The DTP 25 can make tablets up to 25mm in diameter, with a maximum fill depth of 20mm. The DTP 25 features an easy-to-use control panel, allowing for efficient and fast production. The DTP 25 version 2 is safe to use with its clear perspex shield, which meets GMP requirements for enhanced operator safety and will help prevent cross-contamination. The DTP 25 version 2 can be fitted with a load cell to accurately read the machine's pressure as the tablet is being compressed, allowing you to make quick adjustments on the machine. Ultimately, a tablet press is judged by its output. The DTP 25 version 2 desktop tablet press has all the power you could ask for. As a result, it produces dense, properly compacted tablets that easily meet and exceed the requirement for pharmaceutical production. For more information, products, and guides, please visit www.lfatabletpresses.com.